What Would You Make? Hosted by Zana from OK at Home and Connie from Connie's Creative Creations. Guest host Amanda from Six Kids in the Glue Gun. Links to the host and the playlist will be in the description box. I'm starting this DIY out with natural colored Solawood flowers and a galvanized tin heart from the Crafter Square area of DollarTree. It has a pretty nice depth to it, so I should be able to fit a nice amount of flowers. So I just start by pouring out some of the flowers to see about how many will fit inside the heart and do a dry fit before I start to hot glue them inside. I'll have a link to the Solawood website in the description box if you're interested in purchasing some at a discount. Once I had enough flowers inside, I grabbed this white and gold grass green ribbon to add a small bow on top. I do have a cotton lace bow, but it would be just way too monochromatic, and I thought with just this little gold stripe running through this bow, it would be a really nice accent on top. I'm really loving the neutral tones with the flowers and the heart. I have this wooden heart banner that I made last year. I'm going to upcycle this and paint this with some apple barrel white matte paint and then use some of my stamps to achieve a nice shabby chic look. Once I was finished with all my stamping, I strung my hearts up on some gray and white baker's twine and then added them to my tier tray so I could start my Valentine's decorating. To start this DIY out, I have a wooden heart and plank from Dollar Tree and white matte apple barrel paint that I'm going to cover my wooden plank with. And once that's covered, I have Waverly Antique Wax to cover my wooden heart with. So once I was finished, I wiped off the excess wax with a wet paper towel, and then I grabbed a ruler so that I could make faux shiplap lines on my white plank. And once that was finished, I just added some hot glue so I could attach the heart to the plank. And then I took some cotton lace ribbon and made a small bow to add to the top of this heart, just to continue on with this simple neutral vibe that I have with my other two DIYs. And to make this stand up so I could stick it into my tier tray, I just added a couple of tower blocks hot glued to the back, and that was it for this DIY. Super simple, but really cute. And I think this turned out really cute. Like I said earlier, it's just a simple, neutral piece. I'm really digging this vibe. I would love to know in the comments, do you like neutral decor, or are you someone that is really into bright colors? And here are my other two DIYs. I really love how they turned out as well. Please check out the playlist and our wonderful hosts, and I thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing and have a wonderful day.